Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. Excited to offer you guys a absolutely gorgeous and pristine Bentley Continental Supersports. This is a 12-cylinder twin-turbo car, very rare setup right here. Msrp over $300,000. This particular Supersports has 34,000 original and documented miles, fully serviced, up to date on every single service. Zero paint work on the entire car. The front clip is expelled clear broad all the way through. Front bumper, entire fender, entire hood, and mirror. The adjustable spoiler is functional. It is currently in the up position as shown. Highly optioned Supersports right here. Matching Michelin tires all the way around. One of the torquiest stock cars I've driven that's unmodified in quite some time. Very fun car to drive. Beautiful carbon fiber throughout the entire interior. Alcantara, we'll get into that here shortly. Functional hood vents only on the Supersports model. Beautiful paint throughout. Like I touched on earlier, no previous paint work, all original glass. This is an authentic expel clear brawl. Entire front bumper, entire header panel, front grille, hood. Even the inserts have it. Entire front fender. You can see the line right there. Mirror as well. There's the corner of the hood and it actually wraps around. Beautiful job. You cannot even tell it has one on there. Pilot Sport S's all the way around. This is an authentic Supersports car. Massive brakes. I mean, it takes up the entire wheel. One of the biggest stock rotors I've ever seen. Heavy car, very fast car. Brakes are obviously very important. This is one of the few cars we did not have to paint correct. This car is also fully ceramic coated as well. I mean, just a beautiful shine, very smooth finish. The paint on this thing is just beautiful. That's a bug. Rear and front park assist. And just take a look at that rotor. Couldn't find one single dent or ding on the car. Carbon fiber everywhere, Alcantara, diamond stitching, beautiful interior. Hard shell, back carbon fiber seats as well, carbon fiber strut bar. Double glass. to put a tag on it, and we are going to take this thing for a quick test drive. I'll show you the engine as well. Good filters, functional scoops. Just beautiful hard shell seats. All right, guys, here we are in the drivability portion. So we've tested everything in this car. I'm the owner of the company. I've driven this car. I put about 150 miles on it. Every single interior power component works perfectly. One touch roll down windows work exactly as they should. That's one touch going down and up. Rear windows, also one touch up and down. Zero warning lights on of any sort. Heated seats work exactly as they should. Retractable spoiler in the back works as it should. So spoilers down, spoilers up, spoilers down, spoilers up. AC blows ice cold. Every function of the media entertainment system works as it should. Vents open and close. The dash is 100% perfect throughout. And this car is an absolute monster. Torque is just unreal in this car. Just a stunning interior. And just a little bit of gas in this thing just really takes off. I mean, 60 to 70 just like that with 10% throttle. You're hearing any vibration, it just wasn't clicked in all the way up there. Of course, Triptonic as well. Hard on the brakes, we're at 40, and jam on the brakes, and this thing just stops on a dime. No vibration of the wheel. Go ahead and throw it in sport mode. No noises from any of the power steering components. We'll do about a 60% acceleration out of here just to show you everything functions as it should. Oof. This thing feels good. Wow. If you have not driven a Supersports compared to a normal Continental, it's just a world of difference. This thing pulls very, very hard. All the buttons are in great condition, no wear anywhere. There's not one single chip anywhere on the windshield. That is an original Bentley glass as well. Beautiful Alcantara headliner. No issue. Sorry about that, got a call. My phone was not on airplane mode, and it usually is while I'm shooting. So as mentioned, no Alcantara, or excuse me, beautiful Alcantara, no sagging. We'll just do very light acceleration, and this thing just pulls 60 to 80 with 25% throttle. As a performance guy myself, if I own this car, I wouldn't think twice about tuning it and exhaust. I mean, this thing would just sound phenomenal, that much more power and torque, because it's already a very impressive car. Sounds good, but obviously very restricted from the factory. So, man, this thing with some tuning and exhaust would be phenomenal. And I'll tell you, handling in this thing compared to the normal Bentley is night and day difference. The handling is phenomenal in this car, especially this is a very heavy car. I mean, it just sticks. It just handles so well. All right, guys, if y'all have any questions, 855-955-3377. If you're looking for something different, take care.